Hi guys, it's me Abe. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna do a short video today. Why do I keep saying video? I'm gonna do a short video today on a clay mask that I make for my face using two simple ingredients: bentonite clay and rose water. How simple? This mask is basically for sensitive skin. Normally I would use apple cider vinegar or rose water depending on how my face is, right? So apple cider vinegar is for normal skin and rose water would be for sensitive skin because apple cider vinegar is more harsh whilst rose water is more gentle. So keep watching this video to see how I create my sensitive skin face mask using bentonite clay, because bentonite clay is good for your hair and your skin. I am not going to be doing a voiceover for this video. You can look on the screen to find the ingredients, or you can also look in my description box down below and I will list the ingredients and all the measurements. It's me. I'm so happy you've reached this part of my video. I really hope you try this recipe. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Let me know if you have tried it. Let me know if you wanna see me create another recipe for your face. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my description box down below. Don't forget to tell a friend. Don't forget to share on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you'd like. I thank you so much for your support. See you guys next time. guys, it's me, babe. You know the usual. Don't forget